Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make scrunchie and we're going to be using Adire fabric. So we're going to prepare everything necessary for it. Our short one ruler is here. We have a pen to mark down, thread, elastic that we're going to use for our scrunchie, and also a safety pin as well. Please, not office pin, safety pin. We're also going to be having our fabric here as well. So for the width of the fabric, I have 4 inches, and you can see here 4 inches. And for the length of the fabric, what I have here is 15 inches. The fabric is folded into two, which I'm going to split into two as well. So that means we're having 30 inches for the length and 4 inches for the width as well. Now we're going to split the fabric into two. After splitting the fabric, we're going to join both sides. The part that we cut out, we're going to close it up one side, and we're also going to close the other side as well. So now you are going to open up the fabric. Make sure the part you joined is in the middle on both sides. And then we are going to fold in, like just use your fingers to squeeze in the front part, the part that is facing you. After squeezing in the front part, the back part, you're going to use it to cover in each other. But you just have to be careful so you do not pick from the front piece. We're going to cover up with the back part, and then that's the part we're going to stitch up before turning it out. While stitching, be careful so that you do not pick up from the other piece of the fabric. While sewing, do well to adjust the fabric while you are sewing. Before you get to the end of the part where you are stitching, you're going to pull in from the middle part. Yes, you pull from the middle part, and then you also adjust the top side so that you keep sewing until you get to the end. But before we get to the end, we're also going to leave a space where we can come out from. We're going to be leaving out 2 inches. Yes, this is the space right here, just like I said, 2 inches allowance. We're going to measure it so that we can be able to turn out and bring out the fabric, the right side of the fabric from there. This is 2 inches. Now we're going to measure the elastic that we're going to use for the scrunchie. We have 9 inches here, but what we are actually going to be using is going to be 2 inches because we're going to fold the elastic. We're going to place the elastic on top of each other to stitch it so it doesn't cut. After cutting off the 9 inches of the elastic or rubber, we're going to open up the safety pin and pass it in the elastic. After passing the safety pin into the elastic, we're going to use it to pass in between, because after you've stitched up the fabric, there's going to be like a little hole in between based on the allowance you left, like based on the width of your fabric. We're going to pass it in and we're going to bring it out from the other side and stitch it on top of each other. Alright, now you place the elastic on top of each other, which is giving, you're going to be stitching on the allowance of 1 inch on the top piece and 1 inch on the lower piece, which is basically 2 inches. So it's still 7 inches for the elastic band that we're using for the scrunchie. After you stitch it, make sure to double stitch as many times so that it doesn't cut off. You open up the 2 inches allowance that we left out so that we can bring it out, and then you're going to take the piece of fabric that's inside and then you pull it out gently. You keep pulling it out until everything is out completely. Wow, you can see how beautiful our scrunchie looks like, but we're not done yet. We still have to stitch the 2 inches allowance that we left out. Now we're going to take it to the machine and we're going to stitch it out. So we're going to also double stitch it as well so it do not get loose. After stitching it out, we're going to adjust it so that the puffy effect is showing, it's even on all sides, it's not just on one side. We're going to adjust it, and once we are done with that, our scrunchie is ready. Our Adire scrunchie is ready. Look at it. Check it out. It's looking nice and good. You can use this scrunchie to decorate your hair. You can use it to decorate anything, to pack your hair up. You can also just wear it on your wrists. You can use it for anything. So here's another scrunchie that I also made. So thanks for watching. Do also like and subscribe.